I'll share the screen once again. Sometimes I don't know what happens, it just gets stuck. So you guys can talk in the meantime if you want to ask anything.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
Sunil.
Hello.
Yeah.
Today's class. Sorry. How was today's class?
It's being very great.
Yeah.
We are learning some new words and some
Yeah.
grammar also we are learning.
Do you think TEL is a right foundation for us?
I think it's great. We are learning
Yeah.
somehow we are learning. We are trying to
Yeah.
improve our speaking.
I also I have some want to say some emotionally into my words. I think trainers are helpful. I think womankind and cooperative nature. I think they
are,
always give us guideline for our study and in this period. And I also listened. Trainers are Cambridge certified trainers also available. I think. Yeah, you are. You agree? You
is
agree?
it,
Yes.
I am agree with you.
I
Right.
agree.
I agree with you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
I think we are going to have a class completion certificate as well after completing the class. Is it right?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that. You'll have to ask Tel, the management, I mean. I have no idea about that. All right.
I think.
All right. Perfect, you guys. So, Ramesh, can you do this?